Welcome to Callaway's Revit Corner. My name is Brandon Callaway, and this is my first video upload for Revit content. I am a Revit designer. I work in this 8+ hours a day and have been for the last at least 10 years. And before that, been running AutoCAD 8 years before that, and been doing mechanical plumbing systems and architectural design for about 10 to 15 years. And so I thought I'd start uploading some content here. I come across problems here and there, and I have a hard time finding specific to mechanical and or plumbing systems solutions, and it usually takes me a while to sometimes figure them out. And if you work in Revit, you know that there's workarounds nonstop. So this is a workaround I found. If you have another solution that you found, please drop it down in the comments. And as I said, this is my first video. So if you've got any other uh, things that you're running, any issues that you're running across and you'd like to have some help, just drop that down in the comments, and I have no problem getting some more videos uploaded to try to help you all out. Probably going to try to upload these as I come across the problems, just to hopefully somebody else can benefit from something that I upload. Like and subscribe if you would, please. I'm going to keep these coming at you. It's going to be mechanical systems, plumbing systems mostly. I do not know much about the electrical side. I don't do fire protection too much, so it's going to be strictly mechanical, plumbing, and some architectural design here and there. All right, so the problem I was coming across today, I've got a system here that goes all the way up to the roof. This is a 9 or 10-story building, but anyway, this goes all the way up to the top. It's coming down. It is technically makeup air, outside air. I'm trying to change it to supply air, and I was unable to do that. So this is the system that was there, and I'm trying to change it. And if you look over here, system type, M outside air, I was unable to change that system. Even though I've got all these duct systems over here, it still is not letting me change that for whatever reason. Haven't come across that much and not sure why it wouldn't let me do it. So what I had to do was draw another segment, set it on the system type that I wanted. And one thing I kept doing was pulling this new system down to the old system, and it was still messing up. So after playing with it for a little bit longer, I realized you have to pull the system that you want to change. You have to pull that system to the new system to connect. And boom, then it changed all that to supply air low pressure. And I also have the rest of these in here. I have no idea why it does that. If you do, please drop that in the comments because I'm really curious. But this is something that super easy fix, but it took me a little bit of time to get it worked out just because I haven't come across that problem before. Anyway, hope this was helpful for someone. And like I say, this is my first video. Hope to be doing a bunch of these. I do come across problems. I work in this quite a bit. Do 3D BIM modeling for large commercial projects mostly, and some smaller residential architectural design as well in 3D. So again, drop anything down in the comments that if you have any suggestions for me, or if you have any issues that you're having in Revit. I'm more than happy to get some more videos uploaded. I'm going to try to keep these coming, and hopefully you guys can benefit from this channel. So go like and subscribe, come visit me. Let's do this. Let's get some Revit content going. Thanks.